I've been out here for a month and a half.
Hey, can you hold this while I go pee? Thank you.
Alright, anyways, I've been out here for a month and a half with a crazy lunatic and a stolen dog. Alright? And we can't find civilization. It's trying to freak him out. Alright. Look, we're surrounded by civilization. Let's just find somebody to ask for directions. I hate you so much. I've been on here for a month and a half with you.
Why can't we be friends? Over here! Come on, let's go.
What are you boys doing?
We're lost. Can we get in? Okay, thank you.
No, I don't think that's a good idea.
Why not?
Because you're in the wonderful state of Arkansas.
But, well, can we come with you? We're lost.
No, I'm going to go home. Bye.
Okay.
So we're like stowaways on a car, and this crazy guy from Arkansas.
Apparently he loves his wife.
Yeah. Charlie?
What?
Where's the dog?
Right there.
Charlie, what'd you do with the dog?
I don't know, I'm sorry. Where'd he go? That was his favorite pet.
Wait a minute. Hey, now that we don't have a stolen dog, we don't have to run from the police.